Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another video with FTMO. I've been a bit quiet on them for the past few weeks, predominantly because I've not been trading on my live account with them, and I've decided to take out a new challenge. It was always the ambition this year to have multiple accounts with them and try and get up to the maximum limit of $400,000, and that's what I'm working on at the moment. So let's get talking about the new challenge I've taken. So before we do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. All of your comments down below are much appreciated, and I'll try and respond to everyone I can. So the main reason why I decided to take out a challenge right now is, although on the main account with FTMO I was making sort of 3 to 5% consistently on a monthly basis, I've been doing that for about sort of 6 months through all the challenges and verification and the funded side of it. And I really wanted to just sort of break away from that one, get into a different mindset, different mentality, and get back into trying to make into the 10% per month, which you need to do to get through the challenge phase with FTMO. I just felt at this current stage it's really important just to shift things up a little bit, do a bit of almost diversity in the trading and really sort of focus on something else. And it's really starting to pay off now. And I've been at this for about just over a week and a half, and I've done sort of 9 days worth of trading. And so far I'm up 5% on the challenge phase. One of the things I was always struggling with on the funded account was trying to get into a good winner, trying to get something as a 2, 3, 4, 5% return. And most of the trades I was doing was only risking sort of 0.5%, 0.25%, and getting a one-to-one reward to risk on those. And I really want to try and increase that. So I've now got this 5% buffer. I'm looking to risk probably about 0.5% on some of the trades, but trying to get them in to get a 3, 4, 5 return. So if I can do that, I've got 3 days this week to finish off. If I can get 3, 4 trades this week, all good winners, then potentially I can hit the 10% profit by Friday. Friday also non-farm payroll day, which as we know is always volatile and anything can happen. So who knows what will happen on that one. It might just be that I get onto 1 or 2 good trades and that just literally takes me over the line. So let's jump into the client area and I'll go through some of the trades and some of the stats I've been looking at over the past couple of weeks. Okay, so here we've got the client area on FTMO. As we can see from when I started, the equity curve's just been going up very, very steadily. This is actually missing one trade for some reason. So although it's only showing a maximum of 2,800, when we look at the actual profit so far, it is at the 3,500 mark. So that's showing at 5% return. So down here in the statistics, we can see I've taken 13 trades and I've not yet had a losing trade. I've been very consistent in looking for what's going with the trend and just doing some very, very simple breakout trades. And look at the daily summary. We've had some good days at just over 1% here on the 4th of May. And previously we had some other days at just over 1%. And what is really interesting, when you look at the actual trades themselves, every single one has been a sell. I've been shorting everything like crazy over the past couple of weeks. And when you look at the instruments it's been predominantly gold, and now starting to short the Euro USD. So if you look at the Euro on a daily chart, you can see why I'm starting to come in to start selling this short, where we're in a long-term downtrend previously, and it's just started to rally and recover back up. But obviously when it's now started to fail, breaking up to new highs, and we start going down to a lower time frame, especially on the hour, we can see the hourly chart is really starting to show a nice steady downward trend. And that trend is also confirmed on the 15-minute chart, so this is really my entry point. So what I'll be looking at now is when price starts to move back onto this area at the 1.2 mark, that's obviously we've got a bit of congestion, that's a more selling point. Here I'll probably take a much larger position. I'm looking at 5 lots now on currency pairs. So I'll be looking to short euro dollar if it gets back up to 1.2 and sell it all the way back down to 1.98. So it's only a 20-30 pip move, but at 5 lots that should bring in just over a 1% return, and I'll look to risk no more than 0.5%. So as you can see, it's definitely looking more positive with the FTMO trading at the moment, and really want to continue this over the next couple of days to try and hit that 10% profit target, so that when we go back into the client area, my next update here, I really want to be showing a pass on all 4 of these criteria, and then I can start on my verification phase. Hope you've enjoyed this video and it gives you a bit of incentive to carry on with the challenge yourself if you're in that phase, or if you're looking to take out a challenge with FTMO, I would say go for it. Make sure that you check out my previous video on the tips to pass the challenge. I'm working through those myself and make sure I'm sticking to those on a daily basis. But yeah, good luck to everybody and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.